Lab 5 features the introduction of the proportional circle map, with a feature that links it to other plots. Clicking on a circle highlights corresponding elements in the other plots. The same was added to the graphs with bars in the previous lab. I also added the ability to see each circle's key value pair on hover. This plot is placed alongside several others on the dashboard. The others are, from top left to bottom right, the bar graph, the PCD, the MDS display, the histogram, and the correlation matrix. We can use the brushing and linking interactions I implemented to design two data stories. One covers crashes less likely to occur in the morning. It focuses on a string of zip codes in northern Brooklyn, from Atlantic Avenue above Prospect Park, across to Canarsie, and back up to Atlantic Avenue, parallel to the Brooklyn-Queens border, with a relatively high quantity of crashes. The problematic vehicles here are more likely to be sedans and taxis, the former being more likely to injure multiple pedestrians and motorists, and the latter being the least likely vehicle, out of the top three most common ones, at least, to injure any person. While these crashes happen near each other, they happen at various times of the day. A possible solution is to promote mass transit in this area, as it can be improved to handle the large, though spread out, load, to reduce the number of sedans out. The other covers crashes more likely to occur in the morning. It focuses on several zip codes in Long Island City, in front of JFK Airport, where the Cross Bay Boulevard connects to the Rockaways, and by Soundview Park in the Bronx. The problematic vehicles here are more likely to be SUVs than taxis, and they are more likely to injure at least one person. While these crashes are all common in the morning, the locations are not near each other. A possible solution is to introduce a green tax to encourage the uptake of smaller vehicles. And clustering still works.